Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a genuine 66 Chevelle Super Sport, verified right in the VIN number. It's also paint code FF, which is Marina blue, upper and lower, no vinyl top. That's the most desirable color on a 66 or 7 Chevelle. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study 100 pictures, and get the price on this car and a few hundred other collector cars, all for sale at volocars.com. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you enjoy the videos. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the videos come out. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in this big block 4-speed Super Sport. Yeah, nice looking car overall. It was a frame-off restoration probably 10 years ago. It's not the concourse, perfect car, but it's really nice. It's tidy and clean, top to bottom, in and out, and I'll tell you all about it. Usually I roll the windows down. I think they look nice with the windows down, but they fit so nice. I just wanted to show you how well that fits. There's like a hairline crack here and right here. Two little hairline cracks you barely notice. I just happened to see it when the light hit it a certain way. The car is straight. Down the sides, across the tops, the car is straight. Trunk fits real nice. It's all smooth along the bottoms. There's no bubbles or rust or issues like that. It's got a glossy clear coat finish, so the paint's beautiful. The trim is all bright. It's not all brand new, but it's all bright, straight, fits the car really well. Bumpers are re-chromed, has new bow tie mirror, but like this here is original, and this just got a slight patina. Same with the door handles, just showing a little bit of age. All that's good the way it is. It's all nice, bright trim, new windshield. Rally wheels look new and all the trim looks new. BF Goodrich tires, new emblems. A lot of this trim looks new. The grille looks real nice. Bumper is re-chromed. Has the correct antenna. I also noticed earlier, because I inspect each car before I do the video, there's like a star. There's like 3 hairline cracks, like something from underneath hit it at one time. Barely noticeable. Door jambs are painted real nice and glossy. Weather strips are new decal, new fuzzy window seals right in here. Underneath the car is real clean. Front end's been gone through. Got a new fuel system, including a stainless steel gas tank, which is polished. I think this one's got disc brakes. Yeah, converted the disc up front. They didn't have disc in 66. This one has it. So new brake system, new fuel system. It's an M21 4-speed. Has a 373 posi rear end in the back. You're looking up at the motor. The motor is real clean. It has the F41 suspension, which is front and rear sway bars and box control arms. Real clean metal trunk, all neatly painted and spatter finish. This is all glossy, has the stickers, has new weather strips. The complete jack and spare assembly is all painted and detailed and bolted in properly. I'll start it in a second. It has a great sounding exhaust. From the headers to the mufflers, stainless pipes. It has new mufflers and it has aluminized tailpipes going out the back. The interior has been redone. New upholstery, new chrome on the seats. Has a deluxe GM seat belts front and back. Has a center console for a 4-speed. The reverse lockout. The light on the console works. It has the factory in-dash gauges. Retro stereo. Door panels, armrest, window cranks, all of that looks beautiful. Let me open it up for you. It's got a correct 396 motor. Does have an Edelbrock aluminum intake. They painted it orange so it looks stock. Really nice set of finned aluminum valve covers. It has headers. HEI ignition system. Looks like it's all new, including the wires. It's got power brakes, manual steering, nice polished aluminum radiator. Everything's proper looking. Bottom of the hood is painted, has the insulation, batteries bolted down. The whole instrument panel is painted and the chrome bezels are new, the dash pad's new, steering wheel looks nice, headliner looks new and it fits real tight, dome light works. Seats feel good. Has an auxiliary plug for the retro stereo. Heater control panel looks new. Yeah, it sounds great. Visors and mirror look new. Not quite warmed up yet. The car runs great, it's just not warmed up yet. So go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact our staff. Now I'm going to restart it just to show you. Yeah, volocars.com. We can help answer questions about the car, about the delivery, the financing. Let us help you with all of it. That's what we do. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next video that comes out. So, hope you enjoyed watching and come back for more.